Happy New Year from Lenny and I. This is Life with Larry. And I've had a busy morning of cleaning up the Christmas holiday. Tomorrow is my first day back at work, going into 2022. Yay, 2021's behind us. So something I've been doing for years is recycling Christmas cards. And I bring home the old cards from the office, and instead of throwing them away, I like to use them for gift tags. So I will take a pair of pinking shears and I will cut them. I look at the card to determine what I'm going to use. And like this one, I was able to get 3 tags out of this one card. This was from the center, and I cut the front of it into 2 different tags. So I'll be able to decorate my gifts next year with these Christmas tags. And some of them end up being very small, like this one I'll use on maybe, if I use maybe brown butcher paper to wrap a gift, and I can use this for a tag. I can use this for one of the kids. I can use this one for my son. He would like that. So I try to individualize it. Some of the writing is in different colors, so the blue goes nice with the blue wrapping paper. But you just take your Christmas card, and like this one, I will cut out the door. Maybe I'll cut just the red. No, maybe I'll cut the outside of the door so I have a place to write. And I can cut along here and make a nice little saying for the package I'm going to wrap next year. This kind of gets away from your little tiny ordinary labels that I used to use on packages. So this is just my tip of recycling Christmas cards. It's something I like to do at the end of putting my Christmas stuff away. It's my downtime to look back and reflect over the beautiful cards that we were given. So just wanted to share that with you. If you like it, send me a comment, and so that I know that this works for you. Like and share, and happy 2022.